Welcome back, traders. Today, let's talk about bearish reversal candlestick pattern. When we talk about bearish reversal candlestick pattern, we are talking about when the market is about to reverse to a particular zone. On our previous videos, we have talked about bullish reversal candlestick pattern when we talk about all the bullish reversal candlestick pattern. So if you have not watched or if you are confused what is bullish reversal candlestick pattern, you can go to our previous video and watch it and use it to catch sniper entry. What is bearish reversal candlestick pattern? Bearish reversal candlestick pattern is telling you when sellers are taking control of the market. That is just what you need to understand, that sellers are taking control of the market. Otherwise, it doesn't mean that buyers are no longer in the market. No, buyers are also in the market, but the market is about to reverse. So sellers are already coming in fully. So buyers will do what? Wait a little bit, and sellers will be the one controlling the market. And we have different reversal candlestick pattern. We have 5 reversal candlestick pattern. Number 1, we have the shooting star. Number 2, we have the bearish engulfing pattern. Number 3, we have the dark cover. Number 4, we have the tweezer top, and the 5th one, we have the what? Evening star. In all this reversal pattern, I'll be explaining it one after the other, how you can catch sniper entrance with all this reversal pattern I've mentioned, and whenever and where you can find them in your chart. Not just to catch sniper entering, where you see them in your chart matters a lot. You don't just see it anywhere and you want to take entry with it. No, there's some particular area when you see it, when you take your entry, you make good profit. See you guys on our next video when I'll be listing them one after the other. If you find this video interesting, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. The goal is to do what? Remain profitable in the market. Bye.